Okay, guys. So, my name is Israel, as you all know. So, today we are going to start a new video on how to download and install software safely on your Windows computer. And this video is for absolutely beginners and maybe those who just need extra help on how to safely download and install software. Let's get started. So, firstly, it's very important to understand what we meant by apps or software. Right? Software or application is just the programs that we install on our computer to perform a specific task, right? So you can see I have the VLC, Microsoft. Like this is all types of softwares that we have, right? We have so many softwares. They are just the programs we install on the computer. Okay, to download softwares on the internet, it's very important, or maybe from your computer, it's very important to download it from a trusted source. Right. So why do you need a trusted source? And to protect your computer against malware or viruses, right? So one of the main trusted source that we have is the Microsoft Store on our Windows computers, right? So and let's start with that, and let me show you how the Microsoft Store looks like. So you go to your Start button. You click on the Start button. You can see all these softwares here, right? And this is the Microsoft Store. Maybe you can't see it here because I'm using Windows 10 and this is the new version of Windows 10. So maybe you are not using this new version and you can't see the Microsoft Store here. So you just type it in the search box, Microsoft Store, right? So as I just type Microsoft, you can see it at the top, the Microsoft Store. So you just click on that one. So we wait for it to open, right? Okay. Okay, so if you open the Microsoft Store, there's some of the apps that you can see, right? You can see some of the some games and some apps that you can install on your computer, right? So without wasting time, let's try one and see. Let's say maybe we want to download the WhatsApp, right? We want to download WhatsApp, so we just click on it, and then we can see get here, right? You can see the get bar. So you can see it gives us a download bar, right? So it start downloading, as you can see here, right? So immediately this app is done downloading, it will install, right? It will install itself, and you can see it on your computer, right? And we have another way of also downloading this kind of apps, right? And that's downloading it from your web browser. And downloading it from your web browser, that's where you have to make sure that you are downloading from a trusted source, right? So let's move to our browser, right? So right now I have Microsoft Edge, right? And with this, I'm going to just show you something using the Google Chrome, right? We're going to use Google Chrome for this. So you just type Chrome. So it's very, very, very easy to do this, right? So anything you just want to download, you just type it in raw English and Chrome download for PC, right? That's just how you will type it, and the internet or the web browser will take care of this, right? So as you just type download Chrome download for PC, that's what you get, right? So always make sure there's the website of the source, right? That's the website. So you can see HTTPS and so always make sure you are downloading from a trusted source, right? Okay, so without wasting time, we can start downloading. And let me show you one thing. You can see that this place also gives you the Google Chrome to download, but this is not a website of Google, right? So that's what we are talking about as a trusted source. Maybe you can download the software from these people, and maybe the softwares contain malware that and this malware can affect your computer. So that's why we always recommend to use a trusted source, right? A software, maybe a website that you know that, oh, okay, there's a website that's publicly known and they can't do such things to harm our computers, right? So this trusted source. So we just click on it, and then we wait for it to open. Okay, so as it open, we as it open, we just download the software here, right? There's the the main website of Google Chrome, right? So as you can see on the top here, right? As you can see on the top, we have download Chrome, right? Download Chrome. So you just click on download and then accept all. Then this will start downloading your Chrome for you, right? So always make sure you read. Downloading things on the internet is not anything hard, but just that most people don't like to read things they see on it, right? So this is saying your download will begin automatically if it didn't start. Download Chrome manually, right? So we can just click here manually to download if we don't see anything downloading, right? So let me click on download manually, right? So as I click on download manually, let me go and see my downloads tab and see, right? So I go here and see my downloads. Okay, I can see that it is downloading here, right? So we can open it, and as you can see, the Chrome is done downloading, right? It's done downloading. Okay, so let's open it and see. So as we open it, you can see the Chrome here, right? This is the setup, right? So as you click on it, you double click on any application that you want to install. I'm teaching you how to install any application, right? So it's just if you download or you are done downloading the application, what you just do is sometimes you see this and it's different from Google Chrome. As we will use the Google Chrome, and I will teach you how it has to be. So you just click on this, then you go to downloads, right? Then you select here, or you can just install it here, open file, right? Sometimes I click here to see the location of the setup, right? So that I can share it or give it to anyone else. So I just click on this here, then it moves me into my file manager. And as you can see, it's on Google Drive download tab, right? So if I click on download, then you can see that the Chrome is here. So if you want to install any application, you just double click on it and then you click on, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer? Yeah, if you click no, the app is not going to install, right? It's not going to install. So always any application that you install is going to ask you this, and you have to always accept, right? So you accept this, then it will start downloading, right? Google is Google Chrome is just one of the softwares that you have to just download and set up and download the application yourself. Whilst you click on it, it will start downloading itself, right? So we are downloading the Google Chrome. Okay. So what's the difference between downloading from your what's the difference between downloading from your Microsoft Store and maybe downloading from your web browser? What is the difference? Okay, the difference between these two is sometimes you can't get the applications you want in this Microsoft Store, right? And secondly, if you install apps on your Microsoft Store, you can't get any setup, right? What I mean by setup is whilst I install the Chrome, I still have the software here. I can give it to any other person to install, right? This means that if I even want have another computer and I just download this one once, I can share it to any other computer I'm having without also downloading it on that computer. But if you download things on the Microsoft Store, you cannot share it to another person because this Microsoft Store does not give you any setup. Do you see the difference? Okay. So, and that's why I always use web browsers to download rather than using the Microsoft Store, right? Okay, right. So it's continue downloading, and without wasting time, maybe I will stop this, and if it's done downloading, I will come back and we continue looking at it. Okay, so when our Google Chrome is done downloading, this is what you see. Right? This is the first page that you will see. You can choose to sign in with your Google account, or you can sign in without a Google account, and maybe later you can do this, right? So let's do it without using our Google account, right? So don't sign in, right? Just click on don't sign in, and you can choose it to make it as default or maybe later, right? So let's go to skip. Okay, so this is how Chrome looks like, right? So you got it, and then this Google Chrome, right, that we were talking about. So let's say you download something from Google Chrome, and that's what I was telling I will teach you. You just go to the same place here, then you look for downloads, right? You click on download. Here is where any file or anything that you download will be, right? It will be here. Anything you download on your computer from your Google Chrome browser, right? Okay, so let's also check the Microsoft Store. We download WhatsApp and see what happens, right? So as you open the Microsoft Store, you can also see that the WhatsApp is also downloaded, right? And we can launch it here. So let's click on launch and see. So you can see that the WhatsApp is open, right? So here you can't get any setup, right? You can use it here, but without any setup, right? So that's the difference between downloading from your browser. So if you don't understand anything, just type it in the comment section, and I will respond and possible as you want it, right? So thank you for being with me today. So wait for the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, right? That's very important. That's very important. Help me with that, and I will appreciate it very well. Like and subscribe, and so that you'll be notified, and click on the notification bell, so that anytime I release a new video, you can get it, and also improve your skills as time goes on. Thank you very much for being here with me today. We will meet next time.